Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Neologic, and today I'll be explaining the ins and outs of configuring and customizing the studio and its elements. Let's get started.
In this video, we will discuss configuring and customizing your studio and its elements. First, hovering over an element will display the type of element you are working with. Right-clicking on an element provides three options: Edit, Duplicate, and Delete. Delete removes the element from the studio. Duplicate generates a second element with the exact same copy and settings. Edit allows you to modify the copy and settings, ranging from the field name and field placeholders to the size of the element. While hovering over the element, you can rearrange it in the studio using the six-dot icon on the left side, which allows you to drag and drop the element. Additionally, you have the option to add a new element directly below the existing one. That's the end of our quick tutorial on configuring and customizing your studio and elements. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.